Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'awudhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Yusuf, واستبق الباب وقضت قميصه من دبر وألف يا سيدها لدى الباب قالت ما جزاء من أراد بأهلك سوءا إلا أن يسجن أو عذاب أليم. Translation: And they both ran rushing one behind another towards the door, and she, grasping his shirt, tore it from behind, and they met her husband and his master at the door. She said, "What is the penalty for him who had intended evil design on your wife, except put him in prison or more painful punishment?" In the previous ayah, we study that Zulaikha tried to seduce Yusuf alayhi salam and tried to engage him in the act of evil, while Yusuf alayhi salam intended to get away from that trap and not to get involved in this sin of evil. And both had their intentions and both were trying to get their goal. And in this, what happened that Yusuf alayhi salam ran towards the door, and Zulaikha followed him from his back towards the door. And what she did, that she put her hand on his shirt from the back and tried to pull him and torn his shirt from the back. And Yusuf alayhi salam was able to escape out of the room, and at the same time the husband of Zulaikha, the Aziz Misr, came at the door, and Yusuf alayhi salam and Zulaikha were found in that situation. So the woman made all the accusation and blame on Yusuf alayhi salam and said to her husband that this man is running after me with a bad intention, and what should be done to a man who is running after your wife with a bad intention except to put him in the jail or to give him any other painful punishment. Indeed, that was the trick, and that was the evil plan she fabricated then and there. Let's pray that Allah keep us away from all the tricks and evil plans of other people. Oh Allah, give us the company of the righteous people. Oh Allah, make us steadfast on the straight path. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.